Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you liked that intro. On our previous episode, we had made this beautiful beaded earring, and today we resume from that same spot to turn this into a beautiful beaded ring. So we continue increasing the black beads, just the same pattern that we've been using. You put one black bead on the right, one black bead on the left, then you crisscross like that, then you pull, you continue like that. So we're increasing the black side so that we can have a relatively longer black side so that it can go under the side of the ring. You'll see that as we continue to build this. If it's your first time to come across this tutorial, you can go watch our previous tutorial on how to make this African map, where we made it and turned it into an earring so that you can be at par, and then you can come and resume. So this is like part 2 of making the earring, but now here we are turning it into a beautiful ring. As you can see, we are making some beautiful progress. Our artwork is becoming bigger and better, and occasionally you can fold it and count the number of heads. 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's 7. We are going to use it as the place where we have our corner. So the face will have 6 heads, and at the corner that's the 7th one. So we proceed, but now I'm going to introduce the red and yellow colors. This will make a continuous strip that will go under the ring and over into the part of the ring that will be the circle. Kindly stick to this video until the end to see the final product. I'm very sure you'd love it just the same way I do. Actually, this is my new favorite ring, and you'll be seeing it on some of my next tutorials. I'll be wearing it. It's come out really well. I really love it. So we've introduced the green. Remember guys, if this is the very first time you're trying out beadwork, this tutorial is quite advanced. You can just watch it, but when you want to try out how to do this, you can go to our previous tutorials. We've done quite a number of tutorials on beginners, where you can try it out practically there. Then now, once you understand the whole concept, you can come back and watch this and try it out. For those of you who have been trying out our tutorials from before, I'm quite sure this will be a walk in the park for you. And also, I'm quite thankful for all the feedback, the suggestions that you've been giving me, also the support that I get from some of you that have helped us grow this channel. Thank you so much. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that every time that we have a new tutorial, you'd be first to know. And also, don't forget to like on this video. It helps this video get to more people. Among some of the reasons why I make these tutorials for you guys is to make beadwork become more popular, especially among our communities, and also, if possible, have these tutorials or even beadwork be taught to the younger generation so that these skills don't go to waste and they go forward to the next generation. As you can see, I've folded the ring, I've made that loop. So right now there are 6 heads on the top and 6 heads on the bottom, and I'm trying to seal it so that now I can start the straps for the loops of the ring. I am sealing it with the black beads. Put a fishing line on one side, on the other side, and then you put a black bead and you crisscross like that. Then you repeat the same. This is also something we have done before on our previous tutorials. So as you can see, the build is coming out quite beautiful. Remember guys, you don't have to specifically use these colors. You can use any other color combination for your build, and you will definitely have something that looks even more, maybe much better than this. Remember, you can also share with us your final results on our social media pages, on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Also, just here on the comment section down below, kindly let us know what your progress has been. Some of you have given us quite some positive feedback, and I'm happy for you guys who have been able to monetize this tutorials, and you've been able to make some extra money by selling this beaded product. So I'm really happy for you guys, and kindly continue with this spirit, and let's make beadwork bigger than it was before. I'm sure guys, now you can see the green, yellow and red strap that I had introduced. That strip, that line, you see it's coming out quite beautiful. This is going to run through the whole underside of the ring and also on the circle of the ring. You're going to see that as we continue building it, and this comes out quite very beautiful. The principles of building this are just the same, the very same thing that we've been doing over and over on our previous tutorials. You can check our previous tutorials on our playlists to see some other beautiful products that we've been able to start from scratch and also build to the end. Personally, for me, art helps me relax and become more creative, and I know that a candle loses nothing by lighting another one. So that's why I decided to share these skills with you guys, because I know that if it helps me in this way, maybe for also you, once you start practicing it, it might also even help you, even maybe much better than it does help me. So that's why I also share these tutorials with you guys, and I really hope that they are helpful to you guys. Let me know in the comment section down below if and how these tutorials have been helping you. If you've been in the art industry, I'm quite sure you know there are a lot of problems and stumbling blocks that we face in this industry. And if you've been watching my tutorials from the beginning, I have quite a number of reasons on why I do these tutorials, and I'm not planning to stop anytime soon. So if you would like to join this movement and help build this community, you can check down on the description below. I've left my details on how you can contact me. I hope you love what you see, for I really love what I'm seeing. This ring is simply becoming very beautiful. The color combination for me is amazing. So I kind of finished the one side of the ring, making that strap. So I started the other side on the right side. So I'm going to repeat the very same thing that I did on the left side and make the strap to the length where I feel is comfortable for my finger, and then we'll see how it comes out. I can't get tired of thanking all of you for your constant support, reaching out, your suggestions and comments. They really give us the strength to keep creating more content for you guys. Also, occasionally, kindly visit our community tab on YouTube. You'd see we usually have some random topics around beading and general topics on art. You can participate on the community tab and let's have a conversation there, guys. So don't forget to pass also by the community tab and let's have a fun conversation with you. One of the reasons why I love beading and also art is you can be able to put your imaginations, something that you just thought of from your head, and you can be able to put it into practice and actually build it from scratch and have it done and completed into exactly what you thought it will be, or even maybe much better, and you can hold it. Imagine, it's something very beautiful and out of this world for me, because you can be able to take something literally out of your head and hold it in your hand. That to me is so very powerful for beading and also art in general. You can decide to do this as a hobby, and also you can decide to do this full-time. You can decide to do this part-time, and you'd still make something at the end of the day. As you can see, our ring is almost done. It fits my finger well, so I'm going to start closing it on that specific spot. I recently got a suggestion that I should also include my details on the screen and also on the description down below, so that those of you who would like to support us to continue making content and also place your orders could easily get through to us. So you can check the description down below. You'll find our contact details. Kindly let us know what you'd like us to make on our forthcoming tutorials, Your suggestions really help us. And as you can see, this is almost getting finished. And also we do have a beading tutorial on closing a bracelet or ring, so you can also watch that if you haven't, or if you found that closing to be difficult, you can watch it. But as you can see, that's the running colors that I was talking about that go even below the ring. They go under the ring, the green, yellow and red. So now I'm going to be finishing up on the top side of the ring. I've already pre-cut this piece of plastic that I'm going to put there. That's going to make it hard, so that the top can be slightly hard and more rigid. Then now we close it, just the very same formula that we use. You put your beads on either side, your fishing line through both sides of the piece, and then you put a black bead and you crisscross, and then you repeat this very same thing until the end. If you managed to build your ring to this point, a huge congratulations to you, and I'm really excited to see how it came through. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let this movement become bigger through you by simply liking and sharing these videos with like-minded people. And our ring is done. Let's take it out and try it.
My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, yeah.